If you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I'm doing a pretty good sized Temu haul. Okay, now if you're not familiar with Temu, it's an online shopping, of course you know, and if you've never used their site before, my code is down below, and you can use that code anyway. And if you put it in at checkout, it gives me a kickback, but it doesn't cost you anything. But you can also get a $100 coupon bundle. And then also, I was going to tell you, play those games, because I check out that last video I did with Temu on it. It tells you all about how I got my furniture so cheap, and I did not use any affiliate stuff with it. I should have, but I didn't. So anyhow, I'm going to go through this, and this is just an all over haul. I don't know. So I have no idea what's what here, but these were $16.74. Now some of this stuff, I go back in and I check to see if there's a price adjustment, because for 30 days, if the seller and the item go down, you get a price adjustment, and you can get that to your credit. Now if you do that, you can use that for your next purchase. And this is a pair of jeans, and they're just jeans. I mean, they're the same jeans I wear all the time. I love them. I just absolutely love them. So there's those, and if I can, I'll try them on here. Then I got this. This was $8.06, and this is water-based professional face and paint watercolor art. Now I got this because I told my best friend, and it does come with two little cheapo brushes, you know, little cheapies. But I told my best friend, our grandson is a senior this year, and I said, his homecoming game, we need to paint our face. So she just looked at me like I was crazy, and I have a feeling she probably thinks she's going to get out of it, but she's not. And this is what I got to do such things. Yep, she just lost a nail trying to open the bitch. Sometimes I wonder why I bother. Okay, his team colors, yeah, those are not pigmented at all. Look. And that was, look, they're not pigmented at all. I was hoping they would be. But I got some Jeffree Star in there that'll do it. Let's try this one. No, they're not pigmented at all. Well, that was a bummer. Now that does. Now see, we can do that. His team colors are brown and orange, so we could probably get away with that orange, and maybe the brown one. They are just not. You probably have to add water to them, because they're like a watercolor, so they probably have to add water to them. So I'll check on that. I'll check on it right now. Yeah, that's a little bit better. But yeah, she don't know she's doing it. But I'm going to tell her. I'm sorry, but we just need to be that grandma, you know. I don't mind being called crazy. Doesn't bother me in the least. I'm good at it. Okay, then I got, this was $1.97. This is a mini loaf pan. This was $1.97. These are cake donut pans. And here's another mini loaf pan, because I did that cinnamon zucchini bread and everybody loved it. So I think I'm going to do that for our craft show this year. It's going to be one I add. So then I got these because I thought, well, I can use these. These were $3.07. I thought, I can use these in about any decor. And I mean, don't get me wrong, they look like little cheap You know, they do. But from a distance, you won't be able to tell. And, you know, you can just use it as filler. And if you don't like it this way, you can always spray paint a little bit of, or paint them with glue. That always works too. Takes it back. So that's that. And there was 4 pieces in that for that $3. So I will find a use for it. And these were $1.85. And yeah, I have to trim them back because I don't like it. Oh, by the way, this is the nail of the week. And it comes with toenails. So I've never tried the toenails, but I'm going to do it after I get done with this video. So I'm kind of excited to see what happens because I've never done it. Okay, and then I got this. This was $9.97 for a set of 3. Darn, I got money back on this one too. Seems like you get money back on most of them. But these are those collapsible. These are those. Let's see if I can get it. And they're just those collapsible bowls. And then this is the lid. You put your food in there, and then this is the lid. If I can get it on there. There it goes. See, and it goes like that. And there's 3 sizes. So I thought that was cute, and I thought, well, let's just see what that looks like. Because, you know, I have a lot of room in my kitchen. Because, quite frankly, everything goes in the kitchen. So I like those. Those will work for me. Easy storage. You know, and I don't go often. But when I do go, I like to be prepared. You know, because I have such a limited diet. And I don't really think it's fair if I go somewhere that they feel like they have to provide for me. So, okay, and then this is Charlie's her nail thing. I paid $6.40 for this one. I had one, and I don't know what happened to it. And then I found another one, and I lost the cord to it, so this is just what it looks like. I'll take it out and show it to you. I had one just like this. I used to do my toes. I'd put it on the floor and then just stick my toes under there. But I gave her all my nail stuff for the acrylics, and I'm just like, I'm not doing it no more. You might as well learn how to do it so you can do it for the rest of us. So she's all excited. Well, you could have stopped and gave me something. It was the UPS man. And these, I got these. These were $5.39. And the way they're talking, I don't think these are going to fit Skylar. Because I think they're going to be too small. Would you look at those? Look how cute they are. Cute little Crocs. They're just so cute, but I have a feeling they're going to be too little for Skylar. So, I had to get a bigger pair. And I got this. And I paid $4.26 for it. And I forgot that I got my one that's got, you know, that It Clown on it. And this just says welcome, and it's got 3 gnomes on it. So, I'm gonna put that by the back door, I reckon. And this was $4.64. Half the stuff I don't even remember what it is. Oh, these are Christmas bulb lights, as you can see. And they're sold. And they're sold. As you see, they work fine. So we're good. And it comes in different modes too. interesting. I have the great big ones like this too somewhere. But I'm turning everything over to solar because quite honestly, I usually forget to turn them on. So if it's solar, it turns itself on. And then I got this. I don't know what this is, but it was $7.99. What this is. Oh! This is a pumpkin. And he looks like that. I don't know if you can see him glowing, but that's what he looks like. Cute. But you'd think for the price, $7.99, you'd think you got more than one. And that's probably my fault because I should have read it better, but I didn't. Okay, let me get all this stuff out the bottom. Okay, I got this for Nana because she's really into her chickens now, and it says, "Rise and shine, mother cluckers." So I got those for put on something for Nana because she's all into her chickens. And then I got these for $1.85, but they're not really $1.85. I don't know what this is. This was $1.59. I feel it. I just can't get it. Come on. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Oh, it's an outdoor sign. It says welcome. And it says it on both sides. But I don't have one of them sign poles. So, maybe I'll get one. Maybe I won't. And I got me some more Post-its. Those were cheap. I think it was 39 cents, something like that. They're one of those things that came on as a sale. And then I got this for $2. Now, you know, I just love my sparkly things. And this is what it looks like. I just love it. I just like sparkly things. I don't know why. Maybe I'm crazy. What's that old saying? Maybe I'm born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. I think I was born with it. But yeah, there's a little hole here you can put it through. Put your thread through, maybe. I can't do it without my glasses. Speaking of which, I forgot to put my glasses on. I put on my makeup on. And I laid them down and put my makeup on. And then didn't put them back on. Just when I thought I had it together. But isn't that pretty? I love stuff like that. And all the purples and the blues and greens. It's pretty. You know it is. Okay, let's see if I can get all this out of here. Okay, here's some more nails. And these are the single colored ones. You can get these and then put stickers on them. But I wanted them for the orange for ball games. Now see, that's staying on there now. So maybe you do have to add water to it. And then I got this kind of chrome, which I like the chrome ones. And then I got yellow chrome. And then I got purple. They always put a whole bunch of them at the end of my thing as I'm checking out. So I grab them. Now this stuff is stuff that you put on. Oh, great. Great. It was, okay, I see you got to cut it off anyway. It's okay. But it's stuff you put on the threads of a screw that doesn't want to stay screwed. And my front door, Jeremy's had to fix it 15 times because the handle falls off of my hands. So he told me, get this stuff, put it on the screws, and it'll stop doing it. So I said, okay. So I got that, and then I also got it for my bathroom faucet, the one thing it's constantly rubbing off. And this is Pro's Choice Ultra Nail Glue. And I told you I've been trying all the different ones. I believe, see, these are like this. And you just brush the glue on and then put the nail on. Which, they're kind of convenient and they're not as messy. Which I don't make a mess of mine anymore anyway. So, then I got this bag, and how I ended up ordering another one, I will never know, but it's $22.79, and it will go to the baby pile because Jacob and his girlfriend are now having a baby, and it's going to be a boy, so I suppose I can go in the baby pile. And we'll just use it so they can use them, because all the kids love those kind of things. They've all loved them. And then I got this. This was my, and I don't know how much I paid for it because I can't find the price. It was like 20 bucks. It was in the 20s. I'll put it on the screen. You know, I usually do, and I put all the links down below and all the information. So, let's see. I was like, why would I have ordered a dress with tulle? Because I could feel the tulle through it. Well, it wasn't tulle. Well, it's tulle, but right here is tulle, but this is what she is. Oh, wow. There's a lot more to her than I thought. Because I just thought she was going to be, you know, and then she's got this big, long, flowing dress. And then she's got this hand and that hand. And they are posable. And then she's got these little hairs. She's kind of an ugly thing, but she is. She requires, I can't see it, but I'm assuming there's none in it. So let me get some batteries and we'll see what she does.